So this is our group project. We're doing coolers, so we're gonna see which one of these coolers holds ice the longest. We've got a styrofoam cooler, a plastic Ozark Trail cooler, just a cheap Rubbermaid plastic cooler, and a Yeti. So after the end of this, we're gonna see which one of these holds ice the best.
So this is the first one. It's a styrofoam cooler. I got it at Walmart. It was about $2. So we don't really expect it to hold ice the best, but we'll have to see.
This is the Ozark. It's about, I think it's about 85 at Walmart. It's a 26 quart, so we'll see how long it'll hold it.
This is just a plastic Rubbermaid cooler. It's like 20 bucks at Walmart. Probably expecting it to be somewhere in between the Ozark here and the Yeti, so we'll see how that does.
This is a Yeti hopper cooler. I got it for about $230, and we're expecting this to hold ice the longest.
All right, so we just put 8-pound bags, or one 8-pound bag of ice in each of these coolers. And at the end of this test, we're gonna check inside all the coolers and see which one has more ice or more water in the bottom, denoting which had more ice that melted. And then we're gonna use this infrared temperature gun to measure the temperature of the drink that we put in there. So we'll see which one keeps the drink the coldest the longest. All right, so this is hour 2, so we're gonna check our temperatures again and see what we got. So for this one we got 32. This one is 33 and a half. This one is 33 and a half. And this is 35. Alright, so this is hour 3, so we're gonna check again and see what our temperatures are looking like after 3 hours. So for this one, I got 33 degrees. And for this one, I have 34. This one's also 34. And this one is 37.
All right, well, it's been about 4 hours. So we're going to check the water levels of each cooler to see how much of the ice has melted. We decided on 4 hours because that's about how much time that you really need to use a cooler for. Like if you go out to the beach or you go out to the lake, and you really only need about 4 hours to see how well your cooler works. So we're going to check the water levels now. This one is about 3 cups. All right, so this is the Yeti. This one is about 2.5 cups. This one is about 3.8 cups. the styrofoam cooler is about 4 cups.
So when talking about levels of potential skewness, our temperature gauge that we use to measure the temperature of the cans could have been slightly inaccurate due to the reflectiveness on the cans and the temperature gauge laser receptor. So that's one thing that made us not be able to be super confident in our results potentially. Another way our results could have been skewed is when we were measuring for water in the coolers. There were no drain plugs in any of the coolers, so that left room for more air in the water extraction.
Alright, so after our cooler sat in the sun for about 4 hours, we poured out the water in each cooler to see which cooler held the ice the longest. The Yeti, which was a $230 cooler, left 2.5 cups of water. The Rubbermaid, which was a $20 cooler, left 3 cups of water. The Ozark Trail, which was an $85 cooler, left 3.8 cups, and then the Styrofoam, which was just a couple of dollars, left 4 cups. Our results are basically what we thought they'd be, with the Yeti winning, leaving the less amount of water. We were a little surprised that the Ozark Trail did worse than the Rubbermaid, but basically we thought the Yeti would do the best and the Styrofoam would do the worst. So.